Stop fighting with keyframes, bro. It's embarrassing. I'm about to hand you the cheat code to get this buttery smooth text in seconds. Zero effort. Overlay on anything. Let's cook.
Yo, hold up. If you haven't watched my first Remotion video yet, pause this right now. Seriously, go watch it. I'm not teaching the basics again. Link is in the description. You done? Okay, let's cook. First, grab the master prompt from my Patreon. This is the blueprint. Copy it and head over to ChatGPT. Paste it and then just talk to it. Tell it exactly what's in your brain. Say, I want red text, green highlights, dark background. Let ChatGPT do the hard work and write the complex instructions for you. Work smart, not hard. Now, copy that updated prompt. We're going to the big leagues. LM Arena. Select Claude Opus 4.5 Thinking. We need that big brain energy for the physics. Now pay attention. First, paste the system instruction from the prompt.txt file in your Remotion folder. Then, paste the custom prompt we just got from ChatGPT. Hit send. While the AI is coding, quick check. If this workflow is blowing your mind, drop a FLA in the comments. That's Free Learning Academy. And let's crush 500 likes on this video. Don't be shy, smash it. Boom, it gave us the React code. Copy that bad boy. Go to your myvideo.tsx file, delete the old junk, and paste the gold. Back to the folder, type CMD, hit enter, type npm run build, and wait a few seconds. Look at that. Insane quality. No manual keyframes. But we're not done. Let's put this on a real video. Open CapCut, drag it in, go to Remove Background, hit Chroma key, pick the black color, and poof, gone. Now you have a Hollywood-level text overlay sitting perfectly on your main video. You have no excuses left. Professional animation in minutes. All the links and the master prompt are in the pinned comments and Patreon. Join the community. Stop wasting time. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.